in MS Excel. This is the basic syntax available for find function in MS Excel. We are seeing a series of functions available with Microsoft Excel. Some of them we already discussed are concatenate, length. These two we already discussed, and you can find the playlist. The videos are available. Now we are going to see the third function available with MS Excel, that is find function. For that, the syntax is find, F-I-N-D, find is the keyword. Then the syntax goes like this: find text, comma, within text, comma, what is the static number, and close the round bracket. Here I have given a word called, I have given a sentence in fact, I like coffee. This I like coffee, I wanted to find out where the each word is placed. In this first result, I wanted to see where the word coffee is. Here I have given the sentence I like coffee. Now I wanted to know where the word coffee is placed in the sentence. Hence I have given the word here in F4 cell, coffee. Then this is the input, I like coffee. Now I have to create formula for finding the word coffee. So the syntax says type equal to, then type FIND, find, and then give your find text and within text. So here the find text is which text you wanted to find. I wanted to find the word coffee. Where do you want to find? In column G, fourth row, that is in G4 cell. It has to find the word available in F4 cell. So the syntax is equal to find F4 comma G4. Then I wanted to know where the word I is lying. It is simple that it is lying in first letter as first position, but if it is 2000 data is given to you and you have to find out a particular letter in which position it is there. So at the time this find function will be useful. So the syntax goes like this: equal to find, then my input is in column G4, column G, fourth row, G4 cell. In this G4 cell, it has to find out the word which is showed in F5 cell, that is I. So equal to find F5 comma G4, then I'll be getting the output as 1. The word I is placed in first position. Similarly, I wanted to know where the like, the word, the second word like is there. The same formula, equal to find the word like is placed in F6 cell, comma, it has to search in G4 cell. The output will be 3, which means the word like is in the third position, in the third place. The reason is Excel will count even the space also one character, even the space also one position. So LIKE starts in third position, I is first position and second space is the second space is also counted, and in the third position like is available in the input. So that is why the result is shown as 3. This find function is not the find and replace function generally we do, because the find and replace function is available. You can follow my cursor at the right hand side top corner. You can find and replace options. This find and replace option is to check any word or any sentence in the given data, and also you can replace it with something else. But this find function is to find out which position a particular word is appearing. So here we are not finding the entire word, but here we are finding only the position of the given word. Thank you.